Hi, welcome back once again to howtogreatfood.com. Today I will make a very simple fried fish. So these are our ingredients. So what we have here, I have a frozen but defrosted dory fish, which is I cut into strips, egg, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, turmeric powder, corn oil, and all-purpose flour. So now I will speak also in Tagalog. I will introduce this in Tagalog. Meron tayo rito na dory fish na isda, which is na kinat ko lang siya, pahaba, itlog, asin, paminta, syempre garlic powder, tapos po yung luya na powder, tapos mantika. Gagamit din po tayo ng harina. Napakasimple lang po nito na gawin at iprito. Okay, as you can see, I have a plastic bowl in here. I transfer already the fish. So what we will do here is very simple. All the mixture we will add to the fish. So, first, the salt and the ground black pepper. The garlic powder. So nakikita nyo po, nilagay ko ng isda sa isang bowl. Nilagay ko ng asin, paminta, at ang garlic powder. Now the turmeric. Ngayon po nilagyan na natin yung ating turmeric powder. And now the cooking oil. So ang ating pong mantika. Egg. Itlog po. And now we'll mix it. Hahaluin lang po natin. Make sure you will mix it well and then cover by a cling film. Let it sit for 20 minutes before we coat to the all-purpose flour. Mangyari lang po, marinate natin siya, tatakpan natin siya ng cling film, tapos maghihintay po tayo ng 20 minutes, tapos ipapakita ko po sa inyo susunod natin gagawin. Ang papagulungin natin sa harina. Okay, now we will start coating our fish. So ayan po. Pagulungin lang natin siya sa harina. And after this, after I finish coating all the fish, we will start frying this. Just repeat the process. So ayan po, once na naubos na natin yung ating isda, mag-start na po tayong magprito. Okay, let's go to our next stage of doing this simple fried fish. So this is ready to fry. So ready na po yung ating isda. Pipirituhin na po natin. If you have onion powder or chili powder, you can add on it to give extra taste to this fried fish. So we'll do by portioning 4 pieces at a time. Ngayon po, ang gagawin lang natin by part po. Kailangan po hindi po siya puno yung ating frying pan. Kailangan po 4 pieces lang siya. Huwag po niyo pong i-overload. So don't overload while you're frying the fish, so that you can turn it nicely, and you know the taste of the fish will be more delicious. Okay, just we will turn on the fish. Make sure 3 minutes on each side. So babalikan lang po natin yung ating isda. Lulutuin lang natin siya ng 3 minuto. Kabilaan. So again, we will repeat the process until we finish all the fish. Okay guys, this is our finished product of simple fried fish. Ito na po yung ating piniritong isda. Ang gamit ko rito yung dory fish. This is so delicious. Crunchy outside, soft in the inside. Napaka-lambot po nito sa loob. Tapos po sa labas, crunchy siya. Again, thank you for watching howtogreatfood.com. Muli, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng howtogreatfilipino.com. Mabuhay!
and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?